World Vegan Day, 1st November. Celebrated every year on November 1, World Vegan Day raises awareness about animal rights and advocates the widespread adoption of a vegan lifestyle. The day was created in 1994 by British animal rights activist Lewis Wallace as a way to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the Vegan Society in the United Kingdom. World Vegan Day encourages people to follow the vegan lifestyle. According to the several prominent vegans, the lifestyle of vegans benefit human health, protect the well-being of animals and also helps in protecting the environment. History. The Vegan Society was established by Donald Watson in November of 1944, although the exact date was unknown. Lewis Wallace, the president of the Vegan Society in 1994, promotes the vegan lifestyle to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the establishment of the Vegan Society. He decided to elect the date of the 1st of November. This is now recognized as the date on which the Vegan Society was founded and on which Vegan Day would be observed. Who are vegans? The term vegan was coined by Donald Watson, an English animal rights advocate who founded the Vegan Society. It is supposed to be derived from joining the beginning and end of the word vegetarian. In the early 1940s, vegans were known to be vegetarians who did not consume dairy products. This later extended to different foods and byproducts derived from animals. Today, vegans are known as people who do not consume foods like meat, fish, poultry and do not use animal products or even byproducts such as eggs, dairy products, honey, leather, fur, silk, cosmetics. How are vegans different from vegetarians? Vegans are a way ahead as environmentalists than vegetarians. Vegetarians avoid eating eggs and meat, but vegans also shun all dairy products and any other animal products, including eggs, gelatin, and honey. In fact, they don't even use items like soaps, clothes, beauty products that have any animal products in them. Being a vegetarian is relatively easy, as you can still consume some animal products that are important sources of nutrients like protein, vitamins, minerals and non-saturated fats. But a vegan shuns those animal products too and has to look for alternatives for them. Benefits of vegan diet. By turning vegan, the chances of developing heart diseases, rheumatoid arthritis and certain types of cancers which have been linked to animal fat may go down. By cutting animal fats from their diets, vegans save themselves from industrial chemicals and toxins which animals transfer from their environment. Life-saving medicines are allowed for vegans. Because vegans do not eat animal products, their diet is solely plant-based. Due to low levels of vitamin B12, calcium and vitamin D in plant-based foods, nutritionists and medical professionals recommend that vegans add supplements to their diets. Vegans are allowed life-saving medicines even if they include animal products. Observance. Vegan groups and practitioners of veganism organize educational drives and workshops to bring attention to the importance of animal rights and kindness towards our fellow creatures on earth. Many restaurants and cafes provide special menus for their vegan customers and they may even give discounts to celebrate World Vegan Day. Each year, there are a number of festivals and exhibitions held around the world by vegan societies. In addition, there are many local events, talks, and cooking demonstrations organized by individuals.